Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic that's all about the soothing, healing, and rejuvenating powers of aloe vera. So, whether you're an aloe enthusiast or just curious, you're in the right place. Skin hydration and moisturization. Aloe vera gel contains water, making it an effective natural moisturizer. It helps keep the skin hydrated and supple. Acne treatment and prevention. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can help reduce acne symptoms and prevent breakouts. Skin aging prevention. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent premature aging by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Wound healing and scar reduction. Aloe vera can promote faster wound healing and minimize scarring due to its ability to increase collagen production. Hair and scalp health. Aloe vera can promote healthy hair and reduce dandruff when used in hair care products. Digestive aid for constipation. Aloe vera juice acts as a natural laxative and can help relieve occasional constipation. Reduction of stomach acidity. Aloe vera juice may help soothe and reduce symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. Immune system support. Aloe vera contains vitamins, minerals, and polysaccharides that can enhance the immune system's function. Oral health and gum disease prevention. Aloe vera can be found in mouthwashes and toothpaste, as it can help reduce plaque and gum inflammation. Diabetes management. Aloe vera may help lower blood sugar levels, but individuals with diabetes should consult a healthcare professional before using it. Weight management. Aloe vera can be used as a dietary supplement to support weight management by promoting proper digestion and detoxification. Allergies and asthma symptom relief. Some individuals use aloe vera to alleviate allergy symptoms or soothe irritated airways, but scientific evidence is limited. Joint and muscle pain relief. Aloe vera gel can be massaged onto sore muscles and joints to reduce pain and inflammation. Conclusion. There you have it, the amazing world of aloe vera and its myriad benefits. Whether you're using it for skincare, digestive health, hair care, or overall wellness, aloe vera truly is a versatile plant. And if you found this video informative and enjoyed our journey into the world of aloe vera, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to harness the power of aloe vera for a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in our upcoming videos. Until next time, take care, and stay healthy.